Hi everyone, I am just going to be doing a short little Pheedloop tutorial here to show you some of the basic functions for the HBC Hydrogen conference this year. So first and foremost, we do recommend that you access the conference from a desktop and using the latest version of Google Chrome for the smoothest experience, so that is what I have here. So when you click the link in your email for the event, you are going to be brought to this event lobby, like so. On the left here you have a short Twitter feed just with some hydrogen news here, and you can interact with these tweets as well. On the right here we just have a little title sequence card for the event, and to the right of that we have the public lobby chat, so anyone that's in the public lobby at the time can send messages and they will pop up here, and if you want to send your own you can do so down here. And this tab shows you everyone in the lobby at the moment, so you can actually send messages by clicking on someone here and sending a message, and that'll start a little private chat with them in this little pop-up messenger function. And you can respond here and also start a one-on-one video call if you wish as well, and see all your chats by clicking return to chats, and you can minimize and maximize that. On the left is the navigation bar where you can also actually contact people by going to the networking tab. And this will show you everyone attending the event with some tags such as tech team, speaker, sponsor, and student. And you can search efficiently by using the search bar or filtering through these tabs. And you can, again, like I said, start a private chat with them by clicking on any one of them and clicking the start chat function. And that will all happen in the private chats box here. Also in the navigation bar we have sessions. Importantly, this is where you'll view the conference. So you have all the sessions here on the left, and this is where it will stream when it does go live, and you will have the option to make that full screen. Something important to note is that after one session ends, it does not automatically switch over to the next session. You do have to do that manually just by clicking on it in the sidebar here, and then that should be starting automatically for you. And if that doesn't work, you can always hit refresh on your browser. As well, if you get a screen that says time out and there is a session scheduled for that time and it's not playing, you also need to just hit refresh on your browser, and that should resolve the issue for you as well. Additional function you may want to access is editing your profile, so you can do that by going to the sidebar here and clicking account. And then you have the option to edit things like your organization, title, profile picture, and social media links here as well. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to the tech team, and hope you enjoy the conference.